What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about smart home. I know a lot of you guys would like to get a smart home product, but today smart home brought to me something which is so good. Now, enough of me talking, let's get started through the video of today. Yeah, it's from smart home, right? Okay, I get it. So this is a product from smart home, and we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed. And not only that, smart home, they have plenty of products you guys are supposed to check out through their website, and I'll leave a link down below so as you can contact them. They got automation system, they do the smart home. If you want to turn your whole home into smart home, you know what I mean, these guys, they can unleash for you greatness throughout smart home, which is really good. So the video of today, it's brought to you by smart home, and we're gonna just unbox this kind of product which they gave me so as I can share with you guys what's so goody. So enough of me talking, let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So guys, here is our light from smart home. This is an LED strip light, and we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. Well, it's really cool. So what you get throughout here in the box, first thing first, you're getting this remote, which I opened up already, but it's really cool. You're getting this adapter which you can connect throughout this kind of extension in here, so as you guys can see. So this is an extension which has a control, or all the signals come from this one goes to the remote, or from the remote goes to this one, which is really cool. So you just plug it in just like that, and you have everything on the go. On this side, throughout here, you're having this kind of M button, which is like menu button, which you connect with the lightning. It start to do the lightning. Another kind of stuff, this is an on button, and this one synchronize with your music, which is really cool. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a manual with a user instruction, which is great. You can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual mode, which is really cool. Getting these kind of extensions, which they're really cool, and you're getting an adhesive, or you can call it a double-sided tape, which you can mount it here and keep it on your wall, which is really vibrant. Our last but not least, this is our main product, and this is our LED strip. Now we're gonna just open up here so as you can see what's inside. Whoa, that's cool. And this LED strip, it's 5 meters, which is really cool. As you can see inside, that's the LED strip, and these ones, they're the connectors. So I'm gonna just connect it and share with you guys here and see what's happening. Here we have it. This is our connector in here, so you can see there are two types of connector in here. First thing first, we're gonna get started throughout both of them. So there is this one in here, you can connect it in here, and when you're connected, you can see right now it's on. So if it's on, you can control by this button in here. So the button which I was telling you, the M button, if you tap on here to change through different variety of colors, so as you can see what's going on, which it's really cool to see at glance, and you know what's happening, and it's really dope. So I'm gonna just do some installation and see how it works. So yeah, so here's the remote, guys. I can change different colors, I can jump, you can press this button, you can press this, you can increase the lightning if you want to, and decrease the lightning depending on you how much you want the RGB to be. As you can see at the background there, it changes using the remote, and it's really cool. Kind of vibe with that. Hey Google, turn the lights to blue. So guys, right now I'm done for installation of the RGB, as you can spot at the background there. So we have total control on the app right now. As you can see, I can decrease my brightness of the RGB by using only the application. So it has its own kind of app, and it's really cool. Another kind of stuff throughout here, you can change different scene. If you're walking, if you want that kind of scene, if you're here, depend on you what type of scene you want. Let me say you want something colorful, so it's colorful but it's flashing. You can go directly here throughout edit, and you can even control the flash speed, and you can change the flash to breathe. It's really cool, and you just submit, and right now you can spot it at the back. Everything is smooth, which is really cool. So that's how you can control through this smart home LED strip, and it's really dope. So yeah, hey Google, change the lights to blue. Hey Google, change the lights to yellow. Hey Google, change the lights to what color? Violet. Nice. Hey Google, turn off the lights. Perfect. So guys, this is the RGB lighting from Smart Home. I'll leave all the links down below in the description so as you guys can go and check them out. They have plenty and plenty of smart home devices on the website. So thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here because we're about to hit 5k subscribers and it will be much better, much awesome, much dope. Yeah, I think dope, that's cool. So that's what's up guys. Up to on the next one. It's your boy here, Abdurrahim13, and peace.